guys, in today's video I will be installing this unit that I received from WOWAFRICAN Hair, and this is in the style Celine. This is their 13x6 brown wavy unit with 2 blonde streaks in the front. So with this unit I did not have to do anything as far as customizing the unit. This unit already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and styled. The only thing that I did prior to installing this unit was spray my even lace tint in the color medium brown on the lace. This is an Undetectable HD Lace, so as you can see, the lace is definitely giving undetectable, clean, and natural. The length of this unit is 18 inches, so it's not too long and it's not too short. I feel like this length is more of like a mid-length. And as far as the density is 150%. Lately with all of my wigs, I've been using my 𝐲𝐷𝐸 Firm Hold Adhesive Spray, and this has just been doing the job every single time I use it. I honestly haven't even been using my Bold Hold lace glue because this one has just been doing so good. So my lace is cut into 3 sections. I like to start off with the middle section first, and I usually like to cut in a zigzag method because if I'm cutting straight across, I don't feel like it looks natural that way. So I'm going in with my 𝐔𝐬𝐷𝐸 High Insta Hold Spray, and I'm just going back into the areas that did not fully lay down. Now I'm going in with my cream contour to blend the lace a little bit more with my skin tone. I love the fact that since the unit already came pre-styled, I did not have to struggle to get that perfect middle part. In some of my other videos, y'all will see me go over my middle part about 3 times just to get that perfect middle part. And that's 3 times on camera. I usually edit out the other 3 times. So this is the WOWAFRICAN wax stick that came with the packaging, and I was like, let me try it. Let's see if it's just as good as my favorite wax stick, which is Luscious. Overall, it did what it needed to do to flatten the top of my wig, so I was pretty cool with it. And honestly, for a freebie that comes a part of the packaging, it did pretty good. I can't even lie though, a lot of these hair companies are starting to upgrade their gifts. Like, instead of those tiny thin lashes, they starting to give us 3D lashes. They're starting to add good quality bonnets. So they are adding in things that we actually like and can use in the long run. So I usually like to blow dry my hair with the wax on it first, just to get it flattened down. And then after that, I'll go in with my hot comb. But this technique will give you the ultimate flat down. Like, you won't even have to put in that much work once you get to the hot comb part. Using the Nairobi foam to lay down these edges, and I feel like the foam really helps to just easily and gradually get these baby hairs in check, get these baby hairs in order, because sometimes baby hairs want to do what they want to do. So yeah. To define my parting space, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So the curls that initially came with the wig, they were cool, but I just decided to go in with my Baby Bliss flat iron and enhance the curls a little bit more. Honestly, I do not recommend going in with this particular flat iron. It's just something about this flat iron that just didn't curl the way I wanted it to, but I really think that it's just the shape of this flat iron that I was using. So here's the final look of the unit. The curls, they came out alright. They was able to, you know, still give a little something. But overall, the unit itself, very cute. I love the colors on this unit, and I love the HD Undetectable Lace, of course. Although this is the initial review of this hair straight out of the package, I did not have to worry about any tangling, and I did not have to worry about a lot of shedding as well. Decided to try another style, which is a side part, and I think I like the side part better. I don't know, to me it just came out cuter. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.